How to add multiple audio tracks to CapCut video. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import a video file containing multiple audio tracks into CapCut on desktop and also on mobile. And you'll be able to extract each track separately to use and edit them independently, ideal for a multi-mic or game footage with separate voice, music, and system sound sources. So first of all, you get to open CapCut and then you get to open the project and import the video or image on which you wish to add the audio. Then you get to click on audio, and after that you get to click on extract and select the video from which you wish to extract the audio. As soon as you select a video, so CapCut will automatically extract the audio and you'll be able to see the audio over here. Now, if you wish to add multiple audio tracks, you can follow a similar step. You can simply click on extract and simply select a file or video containing the audio. And now you can see there is another track added. Just like that, you can add multiple audio tracks to one CapCut video. So that's it for today's video. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.